Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking garage door keyless entry pads, and if yours is not working, in today's video we're going to try to help you fix it. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, outside in the garage now we have a Craftsman 1/2 horsepower garage door unit, and this is our exterior keyless entry pad or unit, and it's not working. Nothing. No life to it whatsoever. On the bottom portion in most designs is a Phillips screw. Go ahead and remove that. With the Phillips screw removed, carefully lower the cap or cover panel, and you have a 9-volt battery. Carefully remove the 9-volt battery, and I recommend with both hands carefully remove the connection points without putting any harm or stress on those internal wires. Old battery is removed, and time to install the new one. Take a good look at the connection points. Your smaller of the two is your positive, your larger of the two is your negative. Align them properly and secure them. At this point, the battery is secured to the connection point. Insert the battery and grab your cover panel, align it properly, and slide it in place. Go grab that Phillips screw and carefully, without cross-threading it, reinsert it and secure it. Now, in most cases, you will have to reprogram this entire unit because it has probably performed a full reset since the battery died. And to do that, you've got some very friendly step-by-step instructions there. However, in the event that you want us to walk you through it, scrolling above right now is a link to our video where we show you how to reprogram your keyless entry pad and get it back up to normal working status. Hopefully this helps. YouTubers, do us a favor. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us, and we would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.